bike check on my S&M ATF. For 20.75 pot tube. Got the Colony oil slick stem, salt, headset bearings, and kit. I went with the Shadow fork. I forget exactly what model. It's the one that you can change the offset. I originally had an Odyssey 25 on there, R25, and it was a little too steep. But I liked it in certain situations, but most of the time I felt comfortable more on the 30s, 32-ish. So I went with the Shadow so I can go with both those. Odyssey, front hub and rim, complete wheel. I've got the clutch on the back. I really like that free coaster. It's the first one I've ever ridden, but I haven't had any problems with it. Really easy to adjust. And like you say, you come out and ride some dirt jumps or tracks with it. Oh, there we go. Digging the jumps. Alright. But, or you can just loosen it up, just a little Allen wrench. Fiend seat. I've got the Stolen cranks. It's the one step down from the top of the line, 170 millimeters. Salt, oil slick chainring, 25 tooth, and then we've got the Shadow Conspiracy Gold half length, and that's pretty much my bike. Oh, the Odyssey, I think Aaron Ross, bars, Odyssey grips, Odyssey brakes. He's really tearing it up over there, isn't he? That's my bike.